Some pete. I'm a pieces. Period. All set to film this video. Wish me luck. I'm really nervous. Like, I don't know why I started being nervous when it comes to like shooting sit down videos. Like, I literally just be shaking. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I don't know why. And that's like what I started YouTube with, sit down videos, before I even went into like vlogging. But say a prayer for me because I'm very, very nervous. Anywho, let me just put on a wig and get started. You know, like, Asampete. Una not to go maka Asampete. Right here on your screen. You're looking at her face to face, eyeball to eyeball. The girl amaka. Hey, Jesus. Jesus. Ne. In my pieces. Period. You guys, I've just finished filming and like I am so tired. Like, look at everywhere. Where is a mess? And guess what, you guys, they took the lights. Like, they took the lights. But thank God I charged my batteries yesterday. Thank God, because what would I have done? And I was just halfway into the video. Like, I would have been just so heartbroken. I'll just carry the makeup and lie down, or beg them to turn on the gen.
When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right when I see you.
See, I really should have spoken to you guys a long time ago, but I've been hooked on this movie, Kingsman. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love movies so much, and like with all the work I have to do, once I am hooked on a series, I am hooked. Like, once I'm hooked on a movie or anything, I am hooked. But anywho, I got new skincare because I was telling you guys about like my skin condition. So I went ahead to like help myself, because what to do, right? What to do. So this skincare cost a fortune. See, if these things don't work and my body is not looking like milk and gold when I'm done using it, there's going to be a problem. There's going to actually be a problem. Well, let's start from here. I bought from two different vendors. One from, I don't even remember her name. Like, I don't care to remember her name because they were rude, but her stuff is affordable, but they were so rude. The customer service, like, I don't recommend, so no points. The only reason why I bought for them in the first place is because like they're close to me. Like, I stay in Trade Fair and I stay in Festa, so that's really close. But guess what? They still charge 3K for delivery. Wow, Tikafo that stays on the island charged me 2,000, I be 2,500. Like what was the essence of being cheap in the first place? Is this what I ordered? This is not what I ordered. You see? This is not what I fucking. This is not what I ordered. Like, it was 400 grams on their Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Like, what the hell? What the heck? But anyway, I also got this hair, skin and nail gummies. So now I have something to fight about. Like, why was I cheap? And this thing came yesterday. I don't know why I didn't open it. I was waiting for this one to come so I can just unbox everything together. And it includes this. Oh, this is bigger than I expected. This is the Ole Vitamin C body wash. Yeah. And then I got this Nivea. Like, I don't know what Nivea put in their recent cream that they just brought out, but bruh, it is so good. I just finished one bottle and just got this as a replacement. And then I also got, oh my gosh, I also got this FAQS face wash. It's a foaming cleanser, and they said it's almost the same with the CeraVe one, so I just want to, oh my gosh, this thing has scratched my hand. I just want to like try it out and see. It wasn't so expensive, but everything here like this, I spent like 90k. Then I also picked this one up from the drugstore. This is my vitamin C serum. I've been using this for years. This is the Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. I've been using this for a very long time and it works really well. I can attest to that. But yeah, because I'm pissed. Like, I got this cream because everybody have been raving about it. They said it to remove all the dark spots on my body, to do this one, to do that one. Like, it is good, it is good, it's good. With all the review, I said, okay, let me invest in my skin. Skincare is investment, right? I'm investing in my body. Take a thumbnail shot before I call it a day, because I'm going to go back and continue watching my Kingsman. I spent the whole day editing. My mommy. I spent the whole day editing, so I might as well enjoy myself this night, right? Like, I've tried now. Let me first remove this sellotape. Oh my goodness. Hi, good evening. Please, I received it yesterday, but I wasn't around to unbox it. I just got to let you guys just know how this goes when I eventually sort it out. But for now, I'm going to just go and continue watching Kingsman, because nothing is going to spoil my joy. This, like, nothing, absolutely nothing. You guys, it's here. So my mommy had to go to the woman's shop to get it. So this is the one I ordered. 15% lactic acid and 400 gram. Anyway, I think I'll be closing this vlog off here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for like subscribing if you did, and if you didn't, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Anyway, please subscribe. Let me watch Big Brother. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.